Hi there, guys. Today, I'll show you how to upload a PDF invoice into a purchase order using AI. There are two options available, Classic AI and Pro AI. Classic AI has no charge, but the vendor must already be available in the Classic AI vendor list. That means we would have to be informed so we can train the system for your specific vendor. And Pro AI uses credits, but it can read the invoice without requiring you to select a vendor first and has a much better reading of the invoice compared to Classic. To use Classic AI, once you go to the purchase order and click Add PO from the top right, you select the vendor and then click Save. This will open an empty purchase order page. From the top, click the receipt icon located next to the question mark icon. Select Classic. Now select the vendor from the list. If you do not see the vendor in their list, you will need to use Pro AI option instead. Click Next. Click the Upload Document box, select the PDF invoice from your computer, and then click Next. The system will process the document and display the results. If there are any errors, they will be marked with a warning triangle icon. Review the invoice details carefully and correct any errors before moving forward. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. This will take you back to the main purchase order page where you can review, save, or commit the purchase order. Pro AI uses credits to process invoices. The charge is usually around 8 credits per invoice, or approximately 30 to 32 cents per invoice. Before using Pro AI, make sure you have credits available. To purchase credits, you can go to the Smart Search and search for Billing Summary. Open Billing Summary, click Recharge from the top right, then select the credit option, and then click Pay Now. If your payment method is already saved, click Checkout. If not, click the plus sign to add a payment method first. Once the credits are purchased, you can begin using Pro AI invoicing. Go back to the purchase orders. From the top, click the receipt icon located next to the question mark. Select Pro. With Pro AI, you don't need to select a vendor again inside the AI upload window. Click the Upload Document box, select your PDF invoice from your computer, and click Next. The system will process the document and display the invoice results. Once the invoice is loaded, it will show you the confidence level of the AI and the quality of the invoices. At the bottom here, you'll see how many pages there are. You will see the credits available and the credits required to charge for the invoice. And below that, you'll see the reason of the document. From here, click Next or continue to move further. If there are any errors, they will be marked with a warning triangle icon. Review and correct all the errors, and once everything looks correct, you can click Confirm. This will take you back to the main purchase order page where you can review, save, or commit the order.